I prefer not to build my house on the sand, but rather I prefer to build my house on the rock. Welcome back, gold stackers. In this video, I'll be discussing why I prefer gold over stocks and crypto. So since 1 year ago, this time last year, gold has gone up 17% in 1 year. Whereas cryptocurrencies, the whole crypto market has gone from $2 trillion in market cap to $1 trillion in market cap. That's a 50% loss in 1 year for crypto. For stocks have only gone up 1.5%. That's nothing. Whereas gold has gone up 17%. Now that's a massive win for gold. And inflation is typically around 10% for most countries, most the Western countries like the UK and the US, but it could exceed 10%, so it could be like 12 or 8 or 14%. So as long as your return rate is higher than inflation, you're making a profit. Anyone who invests in the stock market is a fool, and anyone who invests in crypto is a fool too, because you can't guarantee gains in the stock market and the crypto market that's above inflation. It's not going to be above inflation, is it? I mean, over the last 20 years, the Dow Jones, I think, has averaged 7% per year on average. Now that's massively below the inflation rate, which the inflation rate is above 10%. Whereas gold has averaged 10% for the last 20 years on average. So crypto is just unpredictable, you know? You don't know where the price is going to go. You don't know the value behind it. It's just something digital, isn't it? Crypto is just digital. It's just a joker. That's why I got a joker card here to reflect the jokerness of the crypto market. It's just a joke, isn't it? Massive joke. So any crypto can go to zero any day, and I've seen it with my own eyes. I've seen cryptocurrencies like Luna or UST and other cryptos go to zero in the space of 1 day, 24 hours. I think Luna was at $60 per coin, and then it went to $0.00001 per coin. So imagine buying at the top and then it crashes that much. Just a massive scam, crypto. It's unpredictable. Any day, anything can go to zero, crypto. The other thing about crypto is that the regulation of the crypto market is also uncharted territory. We don't know the extent to which cryptocurrencies can be regulated, because there seems to be just a few exchanges that dominate the market, and if there's only a few, like Ethereum, I think, is becoming less decentralized and more centralized, which means it's easy for governments to control Ethereum. So crypto may not be what it promised to be, you know. The only good thing about cryptocurrencies is that it's useful if you want to do an international transfer, because I think you'll find that if you ask your bank, like in the UK we have NatWest and Santander and Lloyds. I think in America you have Bank of America and you have Wells Fargo. If you ask your bank to do an international transfer to another country, they'll probably decline it. They'll probably ask for like identity, and they'll probably have like a limit. So crypto is very revolutionary for international transfers. You can transfer millions with crypto from one country to another. So stocks are just as bad as fiat currency. The dollar, just like the dollar or the pound, in essence, they are just a piece of paper, stocks. They say that they're a piece of paper saying that I owe you a piece of this company, which is similar to the US dollar. The US dollar was an IOU saying, a $20 bill was an IOU saying, I owe you 1 ounce of gold. But they went off the gold standard, and they no longer have that anymore. Same with stocks. Just because you own a piece of paper doesn't mean you actually own the stock. They say you own it, but they still owe you the stock. And And stocks are also unpredictable, just like crypto, but stocks are less of a gamble than crypto, but they're less volatile. However, speculative stocks can fluctuate massively, like Tesla. Tesla went up really high and then it went down really low. So any type of stocks is not really, I don't really see stocks as a good investment. If you're gonna own a company, you better make the company yourself, not own a share in it. Why would you trust your money in the hands of someone else running a business? It's not worth it, is it? So for gold, over the long run, gold always goes up, and it has averaged 10% per year since 1969. That's very solid proof that gold is the winner in the long run. Some years it may go down, some years it may go up, but on average it goes up 10% per year. So gold is physical. You can actually feel it in your hand, like these coins here. You can actually feel it in your hand. You know that it's here, it's tangible, it's physical. You know that you always have 1 ounce is always 1 ounce, and it's always got an intrinsic value to it. And you have the power of your money in your hands, and you can store a lot of money with just a little bit of gold. I mean, here's like over £8,000, I think. Yeah, here's quite a lot of money. So gold, as mentioned by many people, is real money. Gold and silver are real money. Everything else is credit. For thousands of years, gold has been used as money, as well as silver, and it will forever be used as money. And why would you put your money into something like crypto or stocks when gold guarantees a better return than both of them? In the long run, gold is a store of value. There's only so much of it on earth that can be dug up. Once all the gold is dug up, there's no more gold left to dig up. But stocks, there can be unlimited stocks, there can be unlimited dollars, there can be unlimited pounds, unlimited cryptos. You know, there's so many cryptos coming out every year that there's no point for there to be limited Bitcoin when the fall of Bitcoin will be due to another crypto rivaling it. So gold is tangible. You can trust it. It will go up every year, almost every year. Some years may not go up, but if you're buying gold, you should expect to wait a few years, maybe like 5 years, 10 years. So I'd rather build my house on the rock by investing my money into real gold than building my house on the sand, buying cryptos or stocks. Because building your house in the sand, it will lead to a collapse of your wealth, of your house. So if you're gonna buy cryptos and stocks, I'd say keep both of them to less than 10% of your net worth. With gold, I'd say put at least 50% of your savings into gold. And with silver, probably put like an extra 20% of your savings into silver. But it's up to you. It's up to you whether you want to take the risk. But gold is a very low risk asset. Gold is less risky than silver. So I have a lot of faith in gold. I feel like gold will go up a lot in the next few years as the economy continues to suffer because of the stupidity of our politicians. They keep printing money, they keep coming up with bad policies, and the central banks, they are causing this economic havoc by thinking that they can print their way out of it. But that's not the case. You can't just print your way out of a recession. You have to actually solve it economically by creating production. Printing thousands or billions of dollars, trillions of dollars will not increase production. That will just give people more money, give people more currency. So currency and money aren't the same thing. So anyway guys, I hope that explained why I prefer to buy gold instead of crypto and stocks. If you like this video, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to be uploading more videos in the future, so stay tuned.